Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property, and today I'm at a very special home that epitomises the lifestyle on offer here at Coolum Beach. What I love most about this property is at just 1 year of age, it comes with all of today's luxuries. However, it's set in a private landscape that has been established for decades. The home has been cleverly designed around the infinity edge pool, where water views are on offer from just about every room. It is exceptionally rare to find more than a quarter acre of land in Coolum with ocean views where you can live on one level and spill from the living areas into the backyard. I highly recommend you come and see the home for yourself. For those overseas and interstate, we're more than happy to walk you through the property virtually. I'm Joel Hood and I look forward to meeting with you soon.